You click a link, the page loads fast, the layout looks clean, the prices look good, and somewhere in the back of your mind, a small voice asks, is this actually real? Today, you're going to learn exactly how to answer that question in under a minute, using the same signals that security researchers use, not guesswork, not vibes, actual data. Let's start with why your instincts alone can't be trusted here anymore. Number 1. The old warning signs are gone. 5 or 6 years ago, scam websites were easy to spot. Broken English, stretched logos, a checkout page that looked like it was built in an afternoon. That era is over. Scam storefronts in 2026 are built from the same professional templates real businesses use. They have working search bars. They have fake review sections with 5-star ratings and photos. Some even run live chatbots that respond in real time, trained to sound like a helpful customer service rep. A padlock icon next to the address bar used to mean something. Now it just means the connection is encrypted, which any scam site can set up in about 30 seconds. Looking professional is no longer proof of anything. Number 2. Domain age is one of the strongest signals you have. Here's a simple fact. A real retailer that's been in business for years registered their website years ago. A scam storefront built for one seasonal push, Black Friday, a holiday sale, a viral product drop is usually registered within the last few weeks or months. That single piece of information, domain age, is one of the most reliable predictors of risk that exists. And it's completely invisible just by looking at the page. You have to actively check it. Number 3. Watch for shared infrastructure. This one surprises people. Scam operations don't build one storefront and walk away. They build a template once and clone it across dozens of different site names. Different logo, different color scheme, different brand name, same backend. Same payment processor, same server. If you could see behind the curtain, you'd realize what looks like 50 different stores is actually one operation wearing 50 different masks. A reverse lookup on where a domain actually points can expose that pattern in seconds. Number 4. Somebody has probably already been burned. Individual complaints about a scam site get buried fast. A single angry review here, a forum post there, easy to miss. But when you check a link against a database that aggregates phishing reports and flagged URLs across thousands of sources, patterns jump out immediately. One bad review is an anecdote. 200 reports flagging the same domain is a warning label you should not ignore. Number 5. Here's what checking this manually actually looks like. If you wanted to verify all of this yourself, you'd need to run a Whois lookup to check domain age, cross-reference a phishing database for prior reports, and maybe run a reverse IP search to see what else that server hosts. That's 3 separate tools, 3 separate tabs, and a few minutes of moderately technical work every single time a suspicious link shows up in your inbox or your group chat. Realistically, almost nobody does this. So people either click and hope for the best, or they bail on something that might have actually been completely fine. Number 6. This is exactly the gap Surfshark Alert's Scam Check feature closes. Instead of 3 tools and 3 tabs, you paste one link in, and it checks domain age, known scam reports, and phishing pattern matches automatically, before you've typed in a single card digit. It's the modern version of checking for a padlock icon, except it's actually checking things that predict risk, instead of a visual cue that scammers figured out how to fake years ago. Number 7. Know when this matters most. The moments you're most likely to skip this check are exactly the moments it matters most. A countdown timer that says, "Sale ends in 10 minutes." A text claiming your package couldn't be delivered, with a link to reschedule. A message from an account that looks like a friend's, but isn't quite right. Urgency is the actual product being sold on most scam pages. It's engineered to get you to click before you think. Building a habit of check first by second turns that pressure tactic into a non-event. It costs you 5 seconds. Getting scammed costs you a lot more than money, plus hours canceling cards and disputing charges afterward. So here's the takeaway. You cannot eyeball your way to knowing whether a website is legitimate anymore, because the visual signals that used to work are the first thing scammers learn to copy. Domain age, shared server infrastructure, and prior scam reports are what actually matters, and checking all 3 by hand is too slow to realistically do every time. A one-step checker folds all of that into a 5-second habit. Check any link you're not sure about before you enter payment details. Using Surfshark Alert's Scam Check tool link is in the description below. And if this helped, subscribe for more plain English breakdowns of the privacy and security tools actually worth using in 2026.